Who is this Anju? Anju Tolian? Who is this child who is joined by the name of Anju?
Good morning, ma'am.
Who
Good
has
morning.
joined by the name
Morning,
of
ma'am.
Anju? First answer this question. Good morning later. Who is this Anju Tolian? Arey beta, listen to what I'm saying first. Who has joined by the name of Anju? Who is this child? I want to talk to the child. Who is Anju Talian? Tell me quickly. Do you have any child of this name in your class?
No, ma'am.
Tell me who has joined by the name of. See on your groups, check on your class group. There is one child who had put a message. Anju is written on that message. Who had written, ma'am, please start the meeting. Who was that child? Who had written on the group, ma'am, please start the meeting? Check out your class groups. Hurry up. 9th B and 9.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hurry, good morning later. First tell me who had written on this.
Ma'am, what's full name?
Ma'am,
check.
in 9th, Prakhar has written.
Who is Prakhar has joined? Is Prakhar there in the meeting?
Ma'am, Anju Trigunayat, ma'am, he is Arjun. No,
Arjun.
ma'am, I forgot his name. Ma'am, but his surname is Trigunayat only.
Yes. Who's
Krishna.
Krishna? Okay, fine. Krishna. Okay. Krishna, is he there in the meeting now? Krishna, are you there? Just check out, children. Is Krishna there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna, are you there? Good morning, Krishna.
Good morning.
Beta, you have just come from class 8th.
Good
You have just
morning,
come in class 9th. Good morning, Krishna. I'm just talking to Krishna first.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
just come from class 8 to class 9th. You don't even
No,
know
ma'am,
this
I am
much.
new admission.
So that is why you don't know how do we behave in this school. Are we supposed to instruct the teachers? Are you supposed to tell me what I have to do, Krishna?
No, ma'am.
What time have you written? That ma'am, please start the meeting on the group. 1 minute only. I have finished one class. I have back-to-back classes. I take a 40 minutes class and then immediately I have to come to the another class. It takes me a minute or so. I'm not
Okay,
a
ma'am.
superhuman being. We finish one class at 8:10. You, of course, you also know it. Your first period starts at what time, children?
7:30.
7:30. Very good.
7:30.
And what time that period finishes?
8:10.
8:10.
Very good. And what time the second period starts?
8:10.
8:10. So
8:10.
8:10 the first class is finishing and 8:10 only the second class has to start. So we wind up one meeting, then we join the another meeting. It takes 1 minute or not? 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I was just wondering that how come a child has written this. Now I got to know that new admission. That is why he is not aware of this. Anyways, Krishna, now you must have understood about the time schedule of classes. So I don't think
Yes,
you'll
ma'am.
have a problem. Okay, fine, never mind. Just share, I'll share the time slots again, the class timings again on the group today, so that the new admissions don't have a problem. Acha Viche, you remember we were doing, what have we done with you? Chalo, tell me quickly, class 9, what all have we done?
Modal.
Very good. We have done modals. And any writing? Have you done anything in writing section?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Good. Never mind. Okay. Prepositions is what we are going to revise today. You remember prepositions at, in, on?
Yes, ma'am.
You remember?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Now in
Yes,
in this exercise, aircrafts.
Ma'am, can you?
Yes, Pache.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, that do we have to write anything in our grammar notebook till now?
I'll tell you when you have to write. Don't worry.
Ma'am, till now
I'll
we
tell you.
don't have to write anything.
No, students have already written. The previous modals exercises have already been written. You have not written in the old copy? I mean, sorry, you have not written.
And you
You
said
are a
that
new admission.
do it rough.
No, modals the students had posted beta in the fair copies also. If you have done in the rough, then what is the tension? If you have done the exercises of modals in the rough copy, you can copy it in the fair one. And if you have not done, then take it from the class groups.
Okay,
On the
ma'am.
class groups, the students had posted the answers. So don't worry about this. Okay. Now,
ma'am.
children,
We don't have to write the questions on
no,
now.
never. No, never. Now, like supposing today we are doing, what you need to do is you will simply put on heading prepositions exercise 1. That's all. First, orally you will plan the answers. Nobody will write anything. Then we'll discuss the answers. First 10 sentences. After discussing, then when you know that you're confident that all your answers are correct, then I'll give you time. You will write the first 10 answers.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is how we'll do, children. Okay. We'll not do everything together. Supposing I've shared this exercise, in this exercise, options are also given to you. So I'll give you time first. Prepare your answers for the first 10 sentences. Then we'll discuss the answers that yes, this is right, this is wrong. If it is right,
Okay, ma'am.
why it is right, and if it is wrong, why it is wrong. So this will be a revision as well. And then I'll give you time 2 minutes. So one word you have to write. That's it. So you'll put the heading preposition, today's date, exercise 1, first answer, whatever you feel is correct in this. Pache, take 2-3 minutes, plan your answers for the first 10 sentences. Options are already given to you. Just plan your answers, don't write anything. Start planning.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Peter. Yes, speak.
ma'am, first का answer, can I speak?
No,
Ma'am.
not yet. What did I say? I said plan the answers for the first 10 sentences, then we'll discuss first 10 together. Plan your answers for the first 10. One sentence, so better it will be a wastage of time. Well, I'm just checking that those who written present on the group, are they there in the meeting or not? That's what I'm doing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. First 10 sentences, plan your answers, nothing to write.
Okay, ma'am.
And those who are ready, who planned, raise your hands so that I get to know how many children are ready to answer. Those who feel confident of answering the first 10, raise your hands. Arushi, you could read all the 10 sentences within 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell what is the third sentences?
Tell answer, you mean?
No, ma'am, the question.
No, ma'am, reading part.
Ma'am, it is some blur, ma'am.
He rested his bicycle, dashed the wall.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Many students have raised their hands. Very nice. Last 30 seconds, then we'll discuss the answers.
Ma'am, only till 10.
First 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Chali, let's see. Who'll speak the first one? Speak.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Oh, there's lot of, like this today will be lot of problem. Okay, I'll only speak. You give me the answers. You must try to live dash your income.
Within.
Within.
Very very good. Very. You see, I was right. Dash all.
After all.
After all.
Good, very good. Very good. He rested his bicycle. Dash the wall.
Against
the
wall.
Very good. I don't have to tell anything. You people are so smart. He spent many years dash the people of Syria.
Among.
Among the people.
Among the people of Syria. Although his last name is the same as mine, I am not related dash him.
Two.
Two.
Very good. I'm not related to him. Very good. I'm not related.
Two.
Yes. This textbook is intended dash
It's
beginners
for.
and high school.
Ma'am,
Very good. I am astonished that dash that matter.
with.
With.
Very good. The students were shocked. Dash the news.
With.
Yes, very good. With the news. Shirley spends a lot of money. Dash.
On.
Very good. Very good. Through wasted little time. Dash social formalities.
On.
Yes, it is on. Not even one answer I had to tell you. You gave all the 10 answers correct. How much time you need to write 10 words? You only tell me.
Ma'am, just 5 minutes.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay. Chalo, theek hai. You take 2.5 minutes, write the first 10 answers, and then we'll move on to the next 10 sentences we'll discuss. Just 2.5 minutes quickly. You have to just write today, heading, preposition, today's date, exercise 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, because I want you to post these things on the group. I'll put a tick in front of your name only once you post this. Hurry up quickly. Take 2 minutes.
Ma'am, in the rough copy we can write.
Why do you want to write in the rough copy and then you'll copy it in the fair and waste your time? We've already discussed the answers. I would always suggest write in the fair directly. We have already discussed the answers. There's no chance
Then
of
we just
having...
have to write the answers or the whole
Yes,
sentence.
Peter, only the answers. Only those 10 words. That's why I'm saying it should take you 2 minutes only. Only the answers. Quickly, quickly. Hurry up. Raise your hands. Finish it soon.
Ma'am, we have to only write 2 answer, no?
Yes.
Yes, my child, only answers. If you start writing sentences, the period will go like this only.
Ma'am, the sixth one is for.
Help your friend. What is the sixth answer?
Ma'am,
Yes. If you have confusions, you can always take the help of your friends. Very good. She's already finished. Others also do it soon.
I'm done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Good. Okay, those who have done, you prepare the answers from 11 to 16. Orally, prepare the answers. I'll discuss with you. Those who finished writing, hurry up, hurry up. prepare answers.
Okay, ma'am.
11 to 16. Quickly. Then we'll discuss, my child. Hurry up. Smart children, I had not to tell you even one answer. You prepared everything on your own. Should we discuss, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see this time now how many answers I get correct from you. That type of music is quite popular. Dash
With.
teenage boys.
With.
With.
Ma'am, four. Ma'am, four. Ma'am, four. Ma'am, four.
Ma'am,
Popular
with.
with.
For.
See, beta, we generally use with popular. This is popular with the old people. This is popular with here. So the with would be a better option. She is beneficent. Dash the poet.
For.
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 Okay, very good. Very good. It is contrary dash our custom.
Two.
Two.
Very good. Contrary to.
Two.
Good. With contrary, we use the word to. He is looking dash his reading glasses.
After.
Four.
For.
Very
Bye.
good.
For.
Looking for. See, beta, with the word looking, we take for. Looking for. I'm looking for my book. I'm looking for my friend. I'm looking for my tiffin. So the word looking generally takes for. Looking actually means searching.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we take after also.
Looking after, that means किसी चीज का ध्यान रखना. Looking after means किसी चीज का ध्यान रखना, and looking for means किसी चीज को ढूंढना. So for glasses, reading glasses, specs, क्या करोगे आप? You will look for or you will look after?
For.
Ma'am, four.
Okay. Understand the difference between both of them. Looking for means किसी चीज को ढूंढना, and looking after किसी चीज का ध्यान रखना. Now, supposing you are taking care of a small child. So mama has gone somewhere and she's left the baby with you. So you will say, I'm looking for the child or I'm looking after the child?
After.
Looking after. Very good.
After.
And if you've lost your tiffin, you kept it somewhere and you're not able to find, and then you're looking, you're searching for something. I'll say, what are you looking for? What will you
For.
answer? I'm looking after or looking for?
Looking for.
For.
So everybody has understood the difference between looking for and looking after?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Next sentence. The child is looking dash the pictures on the walls.
At.
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 Very good. Put yourself dash my place.
Again.
On.
In.
In.
Yes. Put yourself in my place. What does this mean? What does this sentence mean? Put yourself in my place.
I'm replacing.
Hey? What does this mean? Put yourself in my place.
To think from my view.
Exactly. Very good. Hindi में we say अपने को मेरी जगह रख के सोचो. Normally this happens. Say कि अपने को मेरी जगह रख के सोचो. Then that is what we say in English. What do we say this in English? Tell me.
Put yourself in
In.
In my
Put
shoes.
yourself in my place. Fine. So now it actually means कि अपने को मेरी जगह रख के देखो. मतलब think like जैसे मैं सोच रहा हूँ या मैं सोच रही हूँ ऐसे सोच के देखो. So this is what we say, put yourself in my place. Write the answers 11 to 16 quickly in a minute. And then we'll
Ma'am,
move on.
what is the answer of 7th, ma'am?
Help your friend. 7th or 17? Which one you're asking?
Ma'am, 7th.
Ma'am,
With. See, your friends are always there to help you. Very good, children. Write quickly 11 to 16. Then we'll go further.
ma'am done.
You
Ma'am,
did
done.
also.
17
Yes,
also.
ma'am, done.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
So
done.
do you write before we discuss?
No, ma'am, they are just words.
Acha, what a speed. I was just wondering how come. I thought when we are discussing that time we are writing. I was just wondering ki so soon you people write.
Ma'am,
Okay, good. Yes.
ma'am, can you tell me the answer of 12 and 31 more?
Tell her that the 12th she is beneficent dash the poor
Ma'am, 4 and
With the
13 is 2.
or
For.
the poor. Or she's kind for the poor. It is contrary dash our custom.
2 are
Two.
2.
Contrary to means ulta. जो हम मानते हैं उससे उल्टा. Contrary to. Contrary to means just ulta. Now children 17 to 22. We'll just do at a time only these. You do 17 to 22.
Ma'am done.
Just wait a minute or so, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Children, I say raise your hands. Don't say done.
Ma'am, could you tell the right answer for 16?
Wait, beta. When we'll start discussing, then we'll discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
It is in.
Thanks, Parush.
Last 1 minute, children. Just last 1 minute. Are we ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Charlie, let's discuss now. Yes. You will just pick the answers. You'll let me know. We have to start from
17.
70.
17. Srijan provides his son dash money.
With
With money.
Very good, with money. An accident has happened dash that family.
Two.
Ma'am,
With
2. Ma'am, 2.
Two.
No,
Ma'am, 2.
accident has happened to the family.
With.
With the family. Yes, with the family. The correct answer is with the family. Dash the time being. I think you'd better not say
For.
anything.
For the timing.
Very, very good. It is for the time being. It's always better to study vocabulary. Dash.
In connection with
Dash.
With two.
Ma'am,
Connection to.
in connection to.
Yes. So which option is correct? A, B, C, D?
D.
D option.
D.
Okay.
Connection.
Mrs. Veronica is qualified dash teaching
For.
English.
For.
Very, very good. Very good. Qualified for. Can we be sure dash is honesty?
for of
Off.
of
Yes. Off is the best answer. Can we be sure of is honesty? Very, very good children. Very smart children you are. Okay. 23 to 30. You write the answers for these and prepare yourself for the next 7 sentences. Let me scroll it up and show it to you. 23 to 30. Charlie. Hurry, children. 23 to 30.
I'm written.
No, if you have written these answers, you prepare the answers for 23 to 30. Then we'll discuss. Okay? Very good children. Smart children.
23 to 30 only.
How is that possible? It is not even 1 minute that I've shared.
No,
How
ma'am,
can
it was visible. Telling
but
to
if
do 17
Acha,
to-
then you must have done it earlier. Yes, others, please do it. Hurry up, children.
Ma'am, please scroll up a bit, ma'am.
You want to see 23rd?
No, ma'am, 22, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second.
Beta, first do this now. We'll go back to 22 again. Tell her the answer for 22. Chalo, never mind. You do 23 to 30. I'll show it to you later. 22, I'll discuss with you. Don't worry at all. Only
Okay.
till 30. Plan till 30, raise your hands.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
do we have to post the answer in the group?
Ha, beta. When I'll tell you that time, once we have 3 minutes before the class to get over, 3-4 minutes, then you will post, because those will post with their names. Only those
Okay.
students I'll mark present. I'll put a
Okay.
tick in front of your names only once your work reaches on the group. Otherwise, only joining the meeting does not show that you are present. After you post on the group, please write your names and post on the group. From there, I'll put a tick in front of your names. But we still have time for that. I'll tell you when to do it. Hurry up, 23 to 30. How many are done? Let me see. Oh, good number of hands raised. We can start. 23rd one, you tell me now. What did Mrs. Torres die dash?
Off.
Off.
Very, very good. Off. Too good. It was dash my will.
Against.
Against.
Very good. What does the sentence mean? What does the sentence mean? It was dash against my will.
Ma'am, that it was not my will.
Very good. Just opposite to what I wanted.
And you are opposing my opinion.
Exactly. Very good. I took my aging father dash the hand.
By.
By.
Very good. Excellent. By the hand. What do you mean by aging father?
And the father that's
I'm
going.
old.
Old father.
Old.
Ma'am, the one who is growing old.
He is different dash his mother.
From.
For.
From.
For.
Very
I'm
good.
from.
Very good. From. They like
Excuse
to
me, ma'am.
sit
By
dash
the
the
fire.
fire
By the
By
during
the
the
By.
cold winter season.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
By the fire. Yes, Peter, speak out what you want
Ma'am, in
to
the
ask.
26th, ma'am, in the 26th sentence, ma'am, the answer is from. Ma'am, can the answer be for? Ma'am, like, ma'am, in the outside world, he is a studious child, but ma'am, for his mother, he is different. Ma'am, can't this be answered?
How can he be different? I did not understand. If he is a studious child, how can he be different for his mother? He is studious means he is studious. How can he be different for his mother? Just explain that part I'm not getting. Supposing you are studious, how will you be different for your mother? Explain whatever
Ma'am,
is there.
like,
Try. Like?
ma'am, like I behave, ma'am, different for my mother.
Nahi. He's like you said, he is studious, but he is different for his mother. So how will a child be different for his mother if he is studious? That I'm not getting. What does that mean? Different for actually means what, beta? Different for means to behave in a different manner with different people. Okay, different for. Different for means in your behavior. And different from, it can be difference in looks, it can be complexion, it can be hair color, anything. Different for is behavior wise. He is different for me when it comes to which sentence we were doing. Like to sit. Tell me. Please mute your audios. Children, please mute your audios. If only on it when you're speaking the answers. They like to sit dash the river.
By the fire.
Ma'am, by the fire.
Sorry. She works dash her living.
For.
For.
What does this sentence mean? What does this sentence mean? She works dash for living.
Means she works for.
She works for
She earns and she works for
Works
herself.
for her daily wages.
She works for earning.
Very good. She works for earning. She suffers dash headaches.
From.
Very good. He is dash royal blood. Of. Excellent.
Ma'am,
He
off.
is of royal blood. What does this sentence mean? He is dash. He is of royal blood.
He's from a royal family.
He belongs to a royal family.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Now we do not have royal families. Everybody is same. But very good that your English is good. You understand the sentences. So we'll write the answers till 36. And then we'll start posting on the group. Start posting on your group, children, with your names. We can do one thing. Let's discuss further. We still have time. 37,
ma'am.
tell me the answer. We'll do till 40. 37. I have not done my exercise dash now.
Ma'am, we have done till 30 only.
Tell me this 37 again. I have
Till-
not done my exercise dash
Till
now.
now.
We have done it till 30
Till now.
only.
Now
Ma'am,
tell
we
me.
have done till 30 only.
Okay, we have done till 30. I thought you've done till 30. You've done till here, na? He's dashed royal blood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start posting. First 30 answers with your names. I'll start putting a tick in front of your names. Post the first
Ma'am,
30
please the
answers.
answer. Ma'am, please tell me answer of 22 and 19.
22. Can we be sure dash is honesty? Tell me the answer, children. 22nd.
Off.
Off is honesty. And which one else you wanted, beta? 22 and?
Ma'am, 19.
Okay, chalo bacha, let's help her out in 19. Dash the timing. I think you'd better not say anything to her. For the time being. Very good. Anyone else wants to ask any other sentence? Please tell me. We'll help you.
Ma'am, 29 and 30, ma'am. Last two.
29. He suffers dash headaches.
Ma'am, from.
From. He is dash royal blood.
Off.
Off. Very good. Any other
Thank you, ma'am.
sentence? Any
Ma'am,
other
24.
sentence? 20? 24 कर लेते हैं. It was dash my will.
Against.
Against.
Very good. Against my will. Very smart children. Keep asking if you missed out any of the answers. We are still having
Okay.
time, a minute or so. Ask children if anyone has a problem in any of the sentences to write and then start posting. First 30 answers with your names on your class.
Posted my
It's
answers.
Ma'am, I have posted my answer.
very
I'm
good. Those who
Ma'am,
have
I
posted,
have posted
those who have
my
posted, there's only 1 minute left. You can leave the meeting. I'll start putting a tick in front of your names.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
God
Thank
bless you. God bless you. Keep posting on your groups. If anyone has any problem, please ask
Ma'am,
me.
posted.
Thank you so much. You can leave now, 30 seconds. Anyone has any problem,
posted.
any sentence, please ask me, children. Okay, I'm here just to help you out. Never ever feel hesitant of asking. If you have any problem, any answer, please ask me. Post quickly. So few answers have come on the groups. Hurry up. Hurry up, children. Hurry up. Please post. Each and